Hello everyone, my name is Nilendra. Today, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you on this wonderful day of independence. Today we are celebrating 75th independence of our nation, and I'm happy to share that the current GDP, that is gross domestic product of our nation, is 12.55, which is a huge achievement, to be honest. Why this is a huge achievement, let me share a couple of details with you. When Britishers left India in 1947, the GDP was only 4%. Now you guys are thinking that why it was 4%, because the Britishers always used to claim that they came in India, and just because of them we learn a lot of things. They provide some good facilities, such as they always focus on the transportation, that is the train, right? So they always focus that they provide the good education system, the communication channel, the transportation medium to us. But that is completely wrong. That is um, you can say that is just the false statement they used to give, just to hide their failure. The reason why I'm talking about all these things, because so many people are always very much influenced with the Western culture, and they always focus on the things that happened there in the European countries, and very much influenced with that. But let me tell you one thing, that currently our nation is doing a fantastic job, and we are at fifth position among 193 countries in the world. That is a very big achievement, to be honest. Now, let's talk about the British Empire, right? So, the in 19 during the era of 19 to 1900 to 1947, do you know the per capita income was only 196 to 225, only 196 rupees to 225, which is completely a constant. And why it is a constant, I mean, that is something which is a point to discuss, because at that time India was second largest, you can say, that export country in the world, second largest, right after USA at that time. So how can the per capita income is so loss? So that is a point which actually the pain point, you can say that. Because to be honest, in 1820 our GDP was 16%, and by 1870 it has fallen to 12%. And when Britishers left during the time of 1945 to 47, it was only 4%. But why? The reason is that their bad policies, their bad policy of colonization, that was a bad impact on our nation, and due to which we have to suffer a poverty, we have to suffer a economic exploitations, to be honest. Now they always talk about the industrial revolution, of course. Okay, they always talk about that England had the industrial revolution, they are the creator of that, this and that, right? But that industrial revolution has happened only because of India, because it will create a serious impact on our Indian economy. They actually looted our nation. And to be honest, recently someone estimated the cost of around $45 trillion the Britishers looted from India. And to be honest, the reason behind it, I would like to tell you that the transforming of the trade pattern they created, just because of that, we Indians have to struggle a lot. And the main reason of the destruction of the Indian handicrafts is because of the Britishers and their bad policies. Now, let me tell you one thing, a very small example. What actually the problem there? Why we our GDP goes around 4%? Because they are forcing the farmers. They are forcing the farmers to produce crops or food materials only for the industrial purpose. I mean, they mainly focus on on the commercialization thing of the agriculture, right? Which will actually reduce the production of the food. Okay, they mainly focus on the production of the raw materials, and they just looted that production of the raw materials. They just looted that raw materials and sent it to the England. Why? Because of the industrial revolution happened in England. Just because of that, we have to suffer a lot. Scarcity of the food is there, right, in India, and people are dying, right, and they don't even bother about it. And this is something which I would like to tell you on this wonderful day, because we must have to respect our nation. We are very much lucky that we are independent today. And to be honest, I personally believe they have to say sorry for all these nonsense which they did in our nation.